something that catches your eye, cause you might turn out to be something like a surprise. I say something you earn before you die, cause when you win, you deserve a prize. Yeah, you a prized possession. I look up, all I see is blessings. You could be beautiful, white on white weddings, but you won't let go of all that aggression. Take notes, cause you testing what you had guessing. If you gon' be good, bad, right or wrong is the question. You always rejecting anything that would ever benefit you. You scared of every eye ever had a glimpse of you. Can I ask you a question out of curiosity? Do they got you mind worth the work bodily, but you wanna play games? Monopoly, now you broke down poverty, screaming your apology. They hard like mahogany, so worry about make up dermatology. They read you for you read yourself. I call that high technology. You feel like your property, not aware of what's going on consciously. Your actions are called hypocrisy. Check the rhythm of my philosophy. Take a dose of monogamy. The way you look is a novelty. Someone out there could treat you right. Equality instead of buses feeding you poison radiology. You're the type to fall for a lot of cheese, lot of green broccoli. I'm a walking testimony prodigy. You work more than your body biology. That lie to get in your head. All the dishonesty, rappers like so many bad chicks. It must be a foreign policy. I mean, I do what I gotta do to get this hate up out of me. Take advantage of your heart, you get low like economy. Start messing with your feelings, getting on your neurology. I just took off like rocketry. I'm rich in the spirit lottery. Am I gonna do this for a living? Yeah, probably. All I want is my people say they proud of me. No one come between me and 316 116 dichotomy. Yeah, yeah, ayy. Designing thoughts to think cleaner. You design ways not to get caught misdemeanor. I design ways to be bold. Big black beamer gone with the wind. What you talk? Tell me if you seen her. Yeah, yeah. Cool though, cool though. Let me finish. I got you. Let go. I just won't fulfill promises, you won't prove them right. You gotta get big, rocket jersey number 12, the white. Be a voice heard, me on the mic. With no stage fright, I just sit tight. Keep a couple pennies for some common sense. It's your life, it's your consequence. Cool though, cool though. It's easy. It's all in time. You just gotta keep the faith. Cool money. Cool though. Shout out to my shooters. Bop!